What's up, guys? This is Daniel Myra from Cryptodemia, the Academia for Cryptos. And in this video, I'm going to do a quick market breakdown on BTC. Make sure to watch until the end so I could show you my trading strategy on this specific trade and what's going to happen in long-term and short-term trades, okay? So let's get to it. So guys, lately the market has been very low volume and the volatility has lowered. And the order book is really thin, guys. So this has made it really easy to manipulate the markets. And for this reason, it's hard as a technical analyst to rely on technical analysis. Now, as we see the volume get higher and the order book to get thicker, it's going to be a lot easier to rely on technical analysis. Now, I told you in my past video that we're going to see a false breakdown, and that's exactly what happened, guys. Many people were not looking into this. They thought we're going to go either to the downside or we're going to see a fast bounce to the upside. That didn't happen. We saw the false breakdown, and this market is full of false signs right here, guys. Full of false signs, and we got to be careful. So, I mean, if you're not an experienced trader, I would not advise you to actually trade this market right now. Just pretty much stay on the sidelines until there's further confirmation. Now, there's a lot of short-term trades that you could make if you're a middle to advanced trader over here. Now, I'm gonna talk about it. What me and my friends that are also traders were talking about, and in this chart right here, I'm actually looking at the 2014 crash. We saw this huge rally, and guys, this chart, a lot of people on YouTube and a lot of people, other traders, are actually looking at it, and they're looking at it they have a different perspective to what me and my friends have over here, because we're actually trying to study this really well and really in depth, and we found a pretty interesting pattern, guys, that's actually happening right now that nobody's looking at, and that's what we as contrarians are trying to look for. So if we look at the chart, this is the current chart. So look, guys, so we saw the rally, guys, to the 20,000 levels right here. And in our past, we saw this rally over here, and then we saw the drop. Okay, so that's the first drop. Just bear with me. That's the first drop right here. Then we see the second rally, guys. We see the second rally right here, and then the drop. Okay, so we see this drop right here, the second drop, and then the third rally to the upside. Okay, the third rally to the upside, and I know it's not 100%, guys, but I mean, these are just patterns that we're trying to find. And then we see the third drop, and we see the false breakdown, guys. We see a false breakdown just like we do right now, guys. We see this false breakdown right now, and this could help us have a little bit of an outline of what could happen next. Now, this is not 100%. We got to take this as a grain of salt, but what could happen right here, guys, is we could actually go, we saw this false breakdown, and what could happen right here is a little bit of consolidation until we break out again, guys. So we could actually see, a false breakout to the upside again, because I mean, this market is just full of breakouts, and they're all like fake. So the reason why we're looking at this is because of what I said. The order book's really thin and the volume is just very low. So if you have a little bit of capital and I mean, you know how to trade and how to manipulate the markets, you have some algo trading bots, it's pretty easy to manipulate this market right now. So, and a lot of traders are relying on technical analysis. So if you as a big time trader and a hedge fund or these big institutions are looking to create setups for trades and for traders so that people think that something's going to happen, then that's what they're going to do. They're going to start trying to create little setups so that people get trapped, and that's what they've been trying to do. So you got to start thinking like like a hedge fund or like an institution. I'm not saying hedge funds are doing it. I don't know who it is. It could be, you know, it could be anybody. So at the end of the day, guys, this is all I mean, 80% of this market is all algo trading bots. So it's probably even more, guys, to be honest. I mean, many people say it's 80%, but I actually think it's more than 80%. Probably 90% of the trading is already all bots. So, guys, what we could see right here is we could see a false breakout to the upside, and then we go we consolidate for a while until we see another breakout to the upside, which will actually take us in a huge rally. I mean, at least we'll see these similar levels once again. Now, this is not going to be 100% precise because and it never is. And also, guys, let's remind ourselves that a lot of people are starting to look at these patterns, and usually when a lot of traders and the majority of the traders are looking at one pattern, it ends up flipping on everybody. So we need to be very careful, guys. Now, I'm going to show you my trading setups for the short term. So, as you can see, guys, let me actually put it on the 90 minutes. Been trading on the 90 minutes lately. It's pretty nice. So, let me show you guys. So, guys, what are my setups and what am I going to do here? I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, but you got to be careful and you got to learn how to mitigate your risk, because this market could change and could shift very quickly. So you got to be aware with that. So I'm going to show you my laddering buy zone right here. So what I believe is going to happen in the most likely scenario, guys, right here, is that we're actually going to start dropping even lower, probably to the 6,400s level, all the way to maybe like 6,200. Okay, and then anything after that, guys, I'm probably gonna set up a stop loss right here. Okay, very close to it, because there's no wicks, as you can see. I mean, it's very tough to see a wick go down here and close me out. So I'm actually gonna set up my ladders. And what I mean by setting up your ladders, guys, if you're new to this and you want to try to trade this, although I would not advise anybody, this is not financial advice, so you guys know. Laddering your buys means like you put your first, let's say you have X amount of money you want to trade. So out of that X amount, you would put 10%, 10 or 15% on your first buy right here, and then you keep doing 10%, and maybe in the end you want to do like you do like five ladders, guys, and then in the last one you just put maybe 25% out of the whole position, so that your whole position is averaged out to like very low prices. And then once you put your stop loss right here, you're not going to lose as much as if you just bought your whole position right here and you're just locked up on one price. So you don't want to be locked up on one price. You want to keep being able to average your price out all throughout whatever situation happens. So that's what I'm waiting for, guys. I laddered my buys already for this. Now, if it does not end up happening, guys, I'm actually going to buy into the strength, which what could happen, guys, is this. We could actually see a little bit of consolidation right here. For me, this is no man's land. I'm not going to be trading this market in this zone. So we could see a little bit of consolidation. We see it like just go like this, a little bit up, a little bit down. And then what could happen, guys, is we might be able to do a touch and go. We touched right here, and then we start going to the upside. Okay, probably crossing this line. And so where would I start buying if that situation happened? Hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. So if that situation happened, guys, where I would actually start buying, let me look at this real good. I would start buying probably around here. Yeah, probably around here, guys. And if it crossed, I would definitely start buying. Okay, So all this position right here, this is where I would buy. So my no man's land right here, this is like just waiting to see what's gonna happen, guys. This is just waiting to see what's gonna happen. Keep in mind, guys, this is all short to midterm trading. I do believe that we're probably gonna end up seeing 5,000, the lower 5,000s later on, after this rally happens. So I would start laddering my buys in right here, guys, and then I would obviously set up a stop loss right below that, you know, if I start seeing the upside. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's very simple, very easy to set this up. So you just start laddering your buys in, buying into the strength. Now, guys, right here, what I would do is I would actually just buy, I would just end up buying just market buys, so that, you know, there's not a limit order and it starts showing like red in. You know, I don't want the order book to show any red. I want it to start looking green, so that it actually makes other people want to buy. So yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty much like what I'm looking for today. I'm waiting to see what happens today. It could be today, it could be tomorrow. I mean, I'm just being vigilant right now and just waiting to see what's gonna happen. Let's talk about other coins. As you can see, guys, the BTC shorts is very important to keep a look out of this, and a lot of positions got liquidated. That's why I actually think we're having this rally right now. I think they're liquidating a lot of positions, and by they, I'm not gonna say who, but we all know who it is. So keep these guys are gonna keep liquidating short positions. We're probably gonna see a little bit of a green candle right here, a little bit, and then we're gonna see it get liquidated once again. So keep in mind, you see, as I talk about this, we're seeing a green candle. You see, we're looking at it right now. It's getting green shortly. So yeah, I mean, guys, we're gonna see a small green candle. We're starting to see it right now. Now for other coins, look at ZRX, guys. One of my favorites. We saw the bounce, guys. We saw it right perfectly where my target zones were. We saw the false breakdown. So I mean, pretty good. I mean, it's been pretty accurate lately. Now we saw it bounce right off my 61%. And now we're just consolidating right here. I believe we're going to probably see another false breakdown right here before we see the upside. So, I mean, if you're trading this, great. I mean, there's a lot of situations you could do over here. Just wait and see. We're looking at a lot of wicks, guys. Remember, guys, this is a lot of wicks. Usually that means that we're going to see the downside for a little bit. So, yeah, guys, I mean, just have to wait and see. There we go. There goes the green. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna start doing a Patreon page. I'm gonna start updating you on that and see how that works. I'm gonna do technical analysis on the top 15 coins in there, and I mean, just creating good setups for you. So if you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.